Hey y'all, welcome back. Shout out to Miss Worley's class at Eureka Middle School in Illinois. Thanks for watching. Our feeling word, patience. What's patience? Our manner motto is if you sleep over to friends, don't expect to be waited on. And our bully bite is that the bully looks for weakness, so we need to be strong together. I don't remember a lot of the facts that I learned in school, and sometimes here at school we pay too much attention to facts. But learning is the real key, and school is where we learn how to learn. Whether it's doing multiplication or learning how to bake a cake, you need to find information, understand that information, and then use the information to get the job done. School's not just about facts, it's more about learning how to learn, and that's why you're here. Our toolbox question is, what does it mean to learn something? I'll see you tomorrow, and remember, feelings are a big deal, but they come and they go. Bullies are real, but we can say no. It's up to us to make a choice. It's up to you to find your voice. Peace out, little diamonds. The rest is still unwritten. Hope you have a fantastic day.